going, everybody? We're gonna try this Blue Hill Bay pickled herring. It's herring and wine sauce. Picked this up from Costco. Blue Hill Bay smoked seafood. This is wild caught. It's got little pieces of onion on there. It smells really good too. I like pickled herring. Let's see if this how this brand compares. That's really good. These are great hors d'oeuvres. Make a meal out of it. High in protein, low in fat. It's got the good fats. Low in carbs. These are tasty. They're nice and tangy. Those are really good.